Hello, teacher and class. My name is Laura. I am 25 years old. I am student of law in the university. I like paint, draw, books, travel, and the dogs. And this is my family. He is my father. Your name is Gustavo. He is 52 years old. He works in Villa del Rosario. He likes the car, the motorcycle, and animals. He is my brother. Your name is Andres. He is 20 years old. He is a student of engineering system. He likes computer, watch TV, video games, and sleep. She is my dog's dog. Your name is Miranda. She is the love of my life. She is 7 months. I love my baby. He is my brother. Your name is Sebastian. He is 10 years old. He likes to swim, the guitar, and video games. He is a student of 6th grade. He lives in Ocaña. She is my sister. Your name is Daniela. She is 9 years old. She likes to play with your friends and dance. She is Sara. She is the girlfriend of my father. She is 27 years old. She likes the books, the music, and watch TV. He is my boyfriend. Your name is Giuseppe. He is 29 years old. He likes travel, politics, geography, history, and animals. They are my pets. Your name is Lana and Chia. Lana is from Boyacá. She is 3 years old. Chia is from Cúcuta. She is 3 years old. They like to run, play, and eat buns. Okay, teacher. This is my family. I love my family. Cheers. Thanks.